Hello, this is Sarita from Soulhenge, and I'm here to help you understand the truth about who you are. So I'm delighted today because I'm going to be sharing with you another dream weave where some of my students have taken a question into the fourth dimensional astral plane during their dream time to find a collective answer to a question that I have put to them. And the question for this week was, how can we find our purpose? And it's really beautiful doing these dream weaves with these amazing women. So thank you. If you're listening, I'll put their names in the description box. It's really beautiful that they show up for all of us every month and do this work. And also it's just very inspiring because what they're seeing as they dive deeper and deeper into this work is that they are actually meeting in the astral plane. They're having very similar experiences. They're bringing back information which is cohesive and coherent with one another. And it's just really exciting watching them work and also watching this truth play out that we need to dream our new reality into being. It's through daydreaming, if you like, and using our wild imagination that we create here in this reality. And as we are fully now stepping into our ascension, obviously that creative process is speeding up. It really is, you know, got wheels on. It's going pretty fast. And I love that we're using these ancient techniques to step up and into a future way of being. Basically, we're like merging and melding the two. So I hope you enjoy the dream weave. So how the dream weave works, if you've listened to them before, you'll know, but I'll give you a reminder, especially if you're new to this. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the dream weave to you out loud. And what I've done is I've used an ancient shamanic practice where I, if you like, I get into an altered state and then I wash their dreams through my energy centers. And what comes out is a weave of all of them in one thread, if you like. It's like a plait of them all of the information. And as I'm reading it, the invitation to you is to drop into your being, you know, quiet the mind, follow your breath, and then begin to breathe as if the breath is coming through every pore of your skin. So you're breathing out, and as you breathe in, feel all of your pores of your skin opening up to receive. And I mean every pore, you know, from the top of your head to the tips of your fingers, the pores on the back of your hands, you know, every pore in your body opening up to receive this weave that I'm going to read out. Because the weave is essentially encoded light frequency information that's come from a higher realm to instruct us, to inform us, to help us, to see and feel and create a new way of being. So it will literally, if you like, re-encode your being. And this dream weave was interesting because normally they're quite metaphoric, and I believe the reason for that is that we all see energy and we all use our intuition and our inner eye and our senses in different ways. And metaphor is a really beautiful way that we can, if you like, ascertain an overall picture, but see through the metaphor different flavors of that according to our own filters and perspectives and experiences and expressions and ways of being. So they're normally quite flowery metaphor like descriptions, these weaves, or answers rather, or responses to the question, however you want to look at it. But actually this one's really quite instructive. It's very direct, and it's So the question was, how can we find our purpose? And it's like the weaver's gone, do this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There you go. So it's quite short and it's quite instructive and I think quite powerful. So see what you think of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you the dream weave now. So what you're going to do is you're going to close your eyes and just let this conversation that I've given you, and just let this conversation fall away. And you're going to bring your awareness to your breath. So you're turning all of your attention inwards, following the breath as it enters and leaves your body. And with your eyes closed, you are allowing the external reality to melt away. So breath in, breath out. Calming down the vagus nerve, turning your attention more and more deeply within yourself. Okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to imagine that every pore of your skin, every pore in your whole body is softening and relaxing and opening up, ready to receive this information. So as you feel all of those pores opening, you're beginning to breathe in through those pores. So just feel the breath flowing into you through the pores of your skin. Feel how amazing that feels. Relaxing more and more, becoming more and more porous. Breath in, flowing through all of the pores of your skin. And I am now going to read the dream weave, answering the question, how do we find our purpose? And as I do, you are going to breathe the words in with the breath through all of the pores of your skin. Wow. Break yourself open and see the fruit that is inside. It's only fear that stops you from waking up. It's fear that makes you mask yourself with makeup that can never be complete because it is not who you are and you will never fit in that way. Fear will make you leave your own self and walk out the door half finished. Ask no one where you should go. Accept no authority. Don't argue with yourself. Take a community vehicle, even if it takes longer and leaves the familiar comfort behind. Reclaim your power. Reclaim your world. Take responsibility. Light your own way. Your soul will sing to you if you let it. And when you do, the right people will come until you are amongst a chorus of joy. So just taking a last few breaths, feeling that weave, that light encoded information from the collective realm of all possibilities landing within you, changing you. Feel it inspiring you and giving you courage. And then when you're ready, you're going to open your eyes. So thank you very much for listening. And my students and I are weaving these dreams once a month. So I'll have another one up for you in another month. And if you have a question that you would like answered, a question which is a general question that can serve, you know, the whole, the collective, then please do send them to me and we will do our best to answer them. Thank you very much for listening.